In this video, I'll show you one SB promo code to use in Morocco. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. If you're in Morocco and you're looking for a one SB promo code to use, this is exactly what you should do. First thing, come to this home page and click on registration. Take the third option that says by email address. Once you take this third option, you're going to go ahead and fill in your surname and your name and your country. You're going to search Morocco. On search Morocco, your currency is going to change to the Morocco dirham, and then your date of birth, put your email address, create a password using these four requirements. After creating a password, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, one is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This actually means if you deposit 1,000 Moroccan dirham, you're going to receive 3,000 as bonus. Once you're done, click on these three boxes and then register your account. After registering your account, complete your first deposit immediately so that you receive your first deposit bonus. And this is the promo code to use if you're in Morocco. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.